everyone, it's me, Fenwick. Well, I haven't been on here for a while. We've been really busy here with lots of rain. Oh my goodness. It just doesn't stop raining. I mean, it's raining every day. Our backyard, it's nothing but like a pond. Ugh. Well, I like playing in all the puddles, but Mommy, she's always cleaning up all of our paw prints all over the floor, and we come in and then we shake, and sometimes we shake right next to Mommy, and she gets all wet and stuff, and she's always going, ah! Yeah, I think it's kind of funny. But anyhow, I have a couple things to say. First of all, those birds, boy, they've been getting in trouble. I'm telling you, I don't know what's going on with them. First of all, let's start with Kiwi. Mommy, she was changing out her water bowl, and her water bowl's pretty big. And anyhow, usually Mommy opens the door and puts the water bowl in and then shuts the door. And, Kiwi, she's usually out of her cage all the time. But because it's raining so bad here and the winds, oh my goodness. Like, you can hear the wind through the house. It's crazy. Well, Kiwi, Mommy's been keeping her inside her cage because, we live in the forest. And Mommy always says, you never know when the trees are going to commit suicide. So, for Kiwi's safety, yep, she's been inside her cage. Anyhow, Mommy opened that door. She was putting the water bowl inside the cage, and Kiwi, she was so fast. I mean, I've never seen a chicken go so fast. She hurried up, she got on her perch on the door, and boom, she was out of her cage. Mommy was not happy at all. She said, Kiwi, you took advantage of my disability. Anyhow, Kiwi, yep, she was out of her cage. Mommy tried getting her back in her cage, but she would not go. I know Kiwi likes to be out of her cage, but for her safety, she should have stayed in her cage. Anyhow, they had some words. And then Tico, well, they got some food, and yesterday, he always eats all this good food first, any of his fruits or treats, and then he eats the stuff he really doesn't like, he usually eats them last. Well, Tico, he definitely doesn't like peas. Yesterday, it was so cool. He was getting his peas, and he was throwing them. He was tossing them out to Echo. And Echo's really good. He could catch those things in the air. Farzan, he was trying to catch them. I mean, Tico, he was tossing them to Farzan too, but Farzan would just blink his eyes and he would miss them every single time. And Echo, he was so quick. He would hurry up and get them up off the floor. Well, I tried getting some of them, but they were in the way. Anyhow, Mommy, she caught on. She caught on to what Tico was doing. He was flinging peas everywhere. Anyhow, Mommy took his bowl of food. Tico, he wasn't very happy about it. We weren't very happy about it because, we were getting all those yummy peas. Anyhow, yep, the birds have been in trouble. But hey, I have to tell you something else. The other day, I found these cool little button things. Yep, they were little and round, and they were made of wood. Yep. I was like, oh my goodness. I never knew wood could come in tiny little pieces like kibble. Oh, when I found that bag, oh my goodness, I ripped open that bag and I started chewing on those little kibble wooden pieces. Well, Mommy, yep, she found me. She found those little button pieces and she was like, Fenwick, you're not allowed to chew on those. So, I guess I did get in trouble that day too. But recently, it's the birds. The birds! Oh my goodness, they're so in trouble. Well, I hope you guys have the bestest day ever. Halloween's coming. I just hope it stops raining. Alright, I love all you guys. Me, Fenwick.